Selling a home is a lot of trouble, especially if it's trouble you never asked for. Last year, when my father-in-law passed away, he left us his small home. Unfortunately, it was too out of the way and small to work for our family, and we didn't have the time to sell it on our own. That's when we found our solution, Property Nation. It wasn't run down, but my father-in-law's home needed a lot of work. That's time, care, and money that my family just couldn't put into another home. But this home isn't just an investment, it's my husband's inheritance. We wanted to make sure we got the most out of the home without the hassle. That's when Property Nation came in. Rather than having to deal with any of the stress of having to sell the house, we just let Property Nation do the work. No time to deal with realtors? No problem. Property Nation wants you to get the most out of your home. There are no realtor commissions, fast closing, and no repairs needed. That's right, Property Nation buys houses as is. You can get an accurate cash offer on your home in less than 10 minutes. Then you literally pick your own closing date. How easy is that? An expert home buyer is available 7 days a week to talk you through any part of the process. It's simple, it's easy, and it takes all the stress out of selling a home. Get a cash offer in minutes, choose your own closing date, and you never have to worry about repairs. It's never been easier to get cash in hand for your home or properties. Contact Property Nation to sell your house without the stress.